She's so dramatic, post a caption, I say no regrets. But that's just a cover up, I know the truth, I lied to tag. You slept on me, collected Z's, and now that keep you up at night. That should keep you up at night. I seen this play out before. I moved on and now you're bored. My new relationship is popping, something you can't ignore. I seen this play out before. I moved on and now you're bored. My new relationship popping, and you just can't ignore it. Now you can't stand the picture of my girl all up on me. You said, do you ever wonder what me and you couldn't be? And the truth is I don't think about it often, honestly, girl. Who do you think you're fooling? Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. Yeah. She wants reactions to captions, say never looking back. But that don't include when she think about what we could have had. You learn from me, don't drag your feet. Now that shit weighing you down all day long, 'cause you're on your own. I seen this play out before. I moved on and now you're bored. My new relationship is popping, something you can't ignore. I seen this play out before. I moved on and now you're bored. My new relationship popping, and you just can't ignore it. Now you can't stand the picture of my girl all up on me. You said, do you ever wonder what me and you couldn't be? And the truth is I don't think about it often, honestly, girl. Who do you think you're fooling? Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. But I moved on from you when I met her. Hit you with the truth, I know that hurt you, don't. I got more to lose 'cause I'm with her. And now you're just a moment caught in time that you're frozen on. 'Cause I know that you can't stand the picture of my girl all up on me. You said, do you ever wonder why me and you couldn't be? And the truth is I don't think about it often, honestly, girl. Who do you think you're fooling? Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. Every caption that I read, I see through. What you want me to believe is the truth. I moved on from you when I met her. Hit you with the truth, I know that hurt you, don't. I got more to lose 'cause I'm with her. And now you're just a moment caught in time that you're frozen on. Girl all up on me, you said, do you ever wonder what me and you couldn't be? And the truth is I don't think about it often, honestly, girl. Who do you think you're fooling? Every